One love, family. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm certainly having a beautiful day here in my food forest. See, we got this almond back here. We got currants and elderberries and peach and got a pecan there behind me now, and just all manner of goodness, currants. And I'm just harvesting now some elm leaves and mallow and some vetch blossoms. Tomorrow we're hosting a cob building class, and I just wanted to let you know that on the 24th we're beginning a permaculture design course, the Zia Energetics Permaculture Design course here at our permaculture playground in northern New Mexico. So if you'd like to come learn about dryland permaculture, and see how to do food forestry, rainwater harvesting, beekeeping. So we got bees over there, got our chickens. We'll be learning about wild crafting, like, eating some of the elm and going to the forest and learning about all the wild edibles and learning about, soil management with Korean natural farming, electroculture, which I got some more electroculture going through here in the garden, and guild planting, having beneficial consortiums of plants, appropriate plantings for the desert, all manner of things. We're going to cover cob building, natural building, and all of it. So if you'd like to come take our 72-hour permaculture design course and learn how to grow your sovereignty. Look at this. There's strawberries under there coming through. Sea buckthorn and manner currants. Some mint and chard. Goji berries. Yeah, come learn. Come learn how to replenish the earth and rejuvenate life. And so I'll put a link in the description for our website, and hope to see you there. God bless.